Hello, good morning students. You are most welcome in this virtual classroom of English. In this lecture, we are going to discuss two grammar topics. One is if not, unless, and second is hardly when. So dear students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss these two topics. First one is if not, unless. This topic we will discuss, and later we will go to hardly when. So let us begin with if not and unless. Dear students, if not and unless having same meaning in English. This if not in Hindi, the meaning of if not, agar nahi. The meaning of if not in Marathi, jar nahi. Meaning of unless in Hindi, jab tak nahi. Meaning of unless in Marathi, जो पर्यंत नाही. In this grammar topic, if not sentence is given and you are asked to change it using unless, removing if not using unless, and vice versa. Unless sentence is given and you have to use if not, removing unless. If not, if is subordinating conjunction. If is subordinating conjunction. Unless is also subordinating conjunction. If is subordinating conjunction. Unless is also subordinating conjunction. And when you are using if, when you are using unless, it becomes conditional sentence. It becomes conditional sentence. There is some condition and that condition will be fulfilled if you complete that condition. So, if not and unless is very important topic, examination point of view, as well as in our day-to-day life, spoken point of view. So let us begin with this example. First we will see if not example to convert into unless. Then we will see unless example and we will convert into if not. And then I will give assignment of 5 sentences. You have to do this assignment also. So let us begin with sentences of if not. For example, first sentence, if you do not work hard, you will fail. See, first example, the sentence is given, if you do not work hard, you will fail. So, if not. And you are asked to use unless. What is the instruction given? Use unless. When you are using unless, you have to remove if and not, because if and not means unless. So when you are going to use unless, you have to remove if and not. So how you can do this? See, in place of if, you have to use unless. Unless you now do is with not. When we are removing not, you also can remove do. Unless you do work, you can write like this. Or you can remove do also. Unless you work hard. Or unless you do work, it is also accepted. Comma. Second part of the sentence will not be changed. You will fail as it is. So unless you do work hard, you will fail. So this sentence, if not, this sentence unless. If not means unless. So that's why we remove if, we remove not. And we use unless. In place of if, we have used unless. You is subject, we have taken. Do you can write as it is, or you can remove do also. Work, verb we have taken here as it is. Hard, remaining sentence part is sentence. If does would be there in this sentence, if does would be there, then the verb will get yes. You or he, she works like this. So second example, third example I will give like this also. So do you understand, students? When you are using unless, you have to remove if and not. Remember this particular thing. Second example, we will go here. If he does not study well, he will not pass. If he does not study well, he will not pass. This example here. So if is there, not is there. In upper sentence, first one sentence, do was the auxiliary verb. In the particular sentence, does is auxiliary verb. So how to change, making change? In place of if, you have to use unless. Unless he. Now does we can modify to verb studies. Not we have to remove this one. We have to remove this one. Okay? Unless we have taken he. This does will go to the particular subject, the particular verb. He studies. Unless he studies well, he will not pass examination, whatever it is. So this the change you have to notice. That does comes here. So this is the change we have to remember. In place of if, we have taken unless. He is a pronoun or subject of the sentence as it is we have taken. Does we removed and modified the verb. Studies not already we have removed. Well and the second part as it is. So in first example do we used. In second example does we used. We will go to third example now. If she does not perform properly, she won't be selected in the show. So this is the big sentence. If she does not perform properly, comma, she won't be selected in the show. Now once again, if not used, we have to remove these two words and we have to use unless. So how we can do this one? In place of if, we have used unless. She does, we will modify it to the verb. Okay, not we have to remove, if we have to remove, unless we have taken she, does will go to performs. Unless she performs properly, comma, remaining part of the sentence as it is. She won't be selected in the show. So very simple grammar topic this one. Just we have to look after when you are removing if not, you must be sure does, do, did, what is the tense, and you have to maintain the tense. You can't change meaning and the tense in the given sentence. Now one more sentence we will see, sentence number 4, example. If we are not fair with others, the world will not be fair with us. If not. Now here helping verb. In this sentence, do, does, did not used. Helping verb is here are. So see how can we do this one? In place of if we have to use unless. Unless we are. So helping verb as it is we have taken. We are fair. Remove not. Remove if. Unless we are fair with others, the world will not be fair with us. Now, in second part of the sentence, once again not is used. So we have to keep as it is. We have to keep it as it is. In the first part only, after if, immediate, not. That we have to remove. In second part not, maybe one not is there, maybe two words of not there. We have to keep as it is. We can't change second part not. We have to just concentrate on the first part of the sentence. Okay. Now, unless we are fair with others, the world will not be fair with. The world will not be fair with us. This particular sentence. Sentence number 5 we will go now. Five sentences only, if not to unless we are going to change. If it does not rain, if it does not rain, the crop will not grow. If it does not rain, the crop will not grow. So in this particular sentence, we have to use unless. Now observe students, if not is given, we have to remove these two words and we can use unless. Unless it, does we have to modify into verb rain. Unless it rains, comma, the crop will not grow. The crop will not grow. So this particular sentence, unless it rains, the crop will not grow. Meaning is changed, okay? Not changed. So in this way, meaning is same as well as, observe here, tense also same. No change in meaning, no change in tense. So we have to do this balance while we are solving example of grammar. Now, these 5 examples we have seen, if not to unless. Now we will go 5 examples more, unless to if not. We will go unless to if not. First example of unless. Unless you invite him, he will not come. Unless you invite him, he will not come. Now this sentence is unless. In this sentence, unless is used here. Now we have to use if not. We have to use here if not. So in place of unless, you can use if. See the pronoun subject you. Here is verb. Before verb you have to take not. So that's why this verb is in V1, that is root 1. So you take do. If you do not invite him, comma, he will not come. If you do not invite him, he will not come. So we remove unless and we use if, we use not, and with not we used do, because this is auxiliary verb, usually comes with not. Do not, does not, did not. So while we are making negative sentences, generally we use don't, didn't, doesn't. So if you do not invite him, he will not come. This sentence is correct using if not and unless. Now second example of unless you will see here. Unless John, dear students, you have to write down simultaneously. When I am solving the example, just you don't watch my video. You have to write down in your notebook. You can solve a better way with me, with my lecture. Simultaneously you work with your notebook. Unless John runs fast, he will not win the race. See the sentence? Unless John runs fast, he will not win the race. Now we have to use here if not. So how can we make if not? In place of unless, use if. Subject is given John. If John runs, see the runs, yes, is added with the main verb. So does will come. Does not. If John does not run, because already yes we have taken here. If John does not run fast, comma, he will not win the race. Second part of the sentence as it is, no change. So if John does not run fast, he will not win the race. Now third example of unless we will see here. Students, you have to write down, simultaneously you have to work. All the examples you have to write. I will also give 5 examples of assignment also. So these examples you have to write and you have to send me to my WhatsApp number. I will give later on. Next sentence is unless you try, you will never know. Very important sentence with you in your life also. Unless you try, you will never know. Now we have to use here if not. So in place of unless, use if. Do. If you do not try. If you do not try. Unless you try means if you do not try, comma, remaining part as it is, you will never know. Remaining part as it is. So example number 4 we will now see here. Example number 4. You will be punished. See how. You will be punished the how example, just you have to concentrate here in this example. You will be punished unless you follow the traffic rules. So, see here, you will be punished unless you follow the traffic rules. Now, in this sentence, dear students, unless comes in middle of the sentence. Unless comes in the middle of the sentence. Now, how we can do this one? Yes, we can do this. See, you will be punished. So this is the first part. As it is, we have to write you will be punished. In place of unless, we have to use if. If you follow its main verb in V1 form, so we can take auxiliary verb do. If you do not, we have to use this one. Okay, we in place of unless we use if. Then after unless there is particular word you we have taken here. Now the main verb, it comes in V1, that is in root form. So that's why we have taken auxiliary verb do not. Okay, if you do not follow the traffic rules. So this sentence we have used if in middle of the sentence. So just you have to be careful when such examples are coming. Unless or if is coming in middle of the sentence, so there is no problem. We can do the particular sentence like this also. One more sentence of unless. Unless she sings well, unless she sings well, she won't get trophy. Unless she sings well, she won't get trophy. Now, in this particular sentence, we have to use if in place of unless. If she, now the she main verb has got yes, so does will come here, not will come, and the main verb in root form sing. If she does not sing well, remaining part of the sentence will not change. After comma, she won't get trophy. Remaining part of the sentence will not change. It will be as it is. So, we have discussed 5 examples of if not to unless, 5 examples unless to if not. Now, you have to write down 5 examples to do assignments, and that assignment you have to do in your notebook, and you have to send me the snapshot of that assignment to my WhatsApp number. Sentence number 1 assignment. Unless you obey me, O-B-E-Y, obey. Unless you obey me, you will be punished. See, assignment number 1 sentence. Unless you obey me, you will be punished. In this sentence, you have to use if not. You have to use here if not properly. You underline. When you are using if and not, you have to underline these two words also. Second example for assignment. Unless she invites me, I will not attend her wedding. I will not attend her wedding. Unless she invites me, I will not attend her wedding. Okay, you are taking the example. Yes, it is visible, na? Yes, it is visible. First example, unless you obey me, you will be punished. If not, use. Unless she invites me, I will not attend her wedding. You have to use if not. Third example, write down. I am writing here on the board. Properly see and write. If we don't correct them, if we don't correct them, they will not improve. They will not improve. Use unless. If we do not correct them, they will not improve. Use unless. Sentence number 3. Sentence number 4, write down. Without water, all living things die. All living things die. Without water, all living things die. In this particular sentence, you have to use if not. See, be careful. This is a little bit difficult sentence, but you can do this. Use your logic properly. If not, if no, I have given hint. Without water, all living things die. You have to do if not or if no. You better understand what I said just now. One more example for assignment. Number 5. Without trees. Without trees, there won't be oxygen. Without trees, there won't be oxygen. We have to use here if not in the particular sentence. You understand? So, dear students, you have to do the assignment properly and solve it properly, and you have to WhatsApp me the snapshot. Okay, I will give at the end of the video my WhatsApp number. Now we will go to second topic, that is hardly when. In this grammar topic, hardly when is sequence based example, action based example generally asked. So hardly when is correlative conjunction. See, hardly when is correlative conjunction. And when we use hardly when, best sentences generally asked. For hardly when, generally, as soon as, no sooner, sentences, or without this as soon as and no sooner, two independent sentences can be asked to do hardly when. So let's begin with examples so you will understand how to use hardly when. It's very easy topic. We will see with the examples of hardly when. First example, as soon as it started raining, as soon as it started raining, we rushed to home. For this one, to do hardly when, sentence is given, as soon as it started raining, we rushed to home. So we have to use here hardly when. So in place of as soon as, in place of as soon as, we have to use hardly. After hardly, always remember you have to use had. Hardly had. You have to use had. After hardly, without failing, you have to use had. So hardly had. In place of as soon as, we have taken hardly had it. Now we have to take V3 of the verb. Started is V3. So hardly had is started raining. In place of comma, we have to use here when. Hardly had started raining when we rushed to home. After when, that part remain as it is. So hardly had in place of as soon as. It is the pronoun, the subject of the sentence, it has been taken. We have taken here had, that's why their verb must be in V3 form, past participle. So start, started, started. Hardly had started raining. In place of comma, we have to use here when, and remaining part as it is, we rush to home. Understand? One more example we will see of hardly when. As soon as the school bell rang, all the students ran away. We have to use here hardly. So, how to do this? Yes, you can try. Let us solve this example here upper side. In place of as soon as, we have to take hardly had. The school, subject of the sentence, the school. Hardly had the school bell, subject. Now this rang, what is V3 of this particular rang? Ring, rang, rung. R-U-N-G. Hardly had the school bell rung. Okay, comma is here. In place of comma, we have to take when all the students ran away. I told you, hardly had sentences are generally used to describe the action, the moment which happened in sequence. So bell rang, one action, the students ran away, another action. So understand, hardly had, in place of as soon as we use hardly had. The school bell is subject, so we kept as it is. The school bell rang. So we have to take here V3. So V3 of rang is run. In place of comma we have taken when, and the remaining part as it is, there is no change. One more example we will see of hardly when. I had hardly left my home when it started raining. When it started raining. Now, this sentence is little bit different. In this sentence, as soon as it not used, or we can say as soon as sentence is not asked. So this is general sentence. I had hardly left my home. When is already used here. So how to do this one? We have to see your 50% work is done just here. Had and hardly like this. So how to change this one? How to make hardly when properly? Hardly had. Okay. I left. Hardly had I left my home when, as it is we have to keep when, remaining part as it is, when it started raining. Observe the sentence. Such types of sentences also come. Already all the words are available. See, had is there, hardly is there, when is there, but disorderly. But the structure of the sentence is different. This one hardly had structure. This is the general sentence we can say. So hardly had we used in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, 50% work it was done in the sentence itself. We have just bifurcated. Hardly had I left my home when it started raining. Next sentence we will see, sentence number 4. As soon as we reached Ooty, we got shivering. As soon as we reached Ooty, we got shivering. So, in place of as soon as, you use here hardly had. Hardly had we of reached. Hardly had we reached Ooty, in place of comma, when we got shivering. When we got shivering. So hardly had we reached Ooty when we got shivering. So this example, we will see one more example of hardly had. The train arrived. I reached the platform. The train arrived. I reached the platform. So we have to use here hardly when. So which is the action sentence and which is effect sentence. We have to. The train arrived, I reached the platform. So this is action sentence and this is the effect sentence. So as soon as I reached the platform, the train arrived, like this. So first we will take like this. Hardly had I reached the platform, okay, comma, in place of comma, when, first part we can add here, the train arrived. So the train arrived, I reached the platform. We can do also as soon as I reached platform, comma, the train arrived. So hardly had I reached the platform when the train arrived. Now sentence with no sooner. No sooner did we go some distance than we saw a snake. No sooner did we go some distance than we saw a snake. Now this sentence, no sooner sentence, we have to convert into hardly when. So how can I put this? So in place of no sooner, use hardly. In place of did, use had. Hardly had, the pronoun, the subject, we. Go, we have to use V3 of go. Hardly had we gone. Go went gone. Irregular verb. Go went gone. V3 gone. Some distance. In place of then, we have to use here when. We saw a snake. So in place of no sooner, use hardly. In place of did, use had. We. Go is main verb here in V1 format. In V1 form, we have taken V3 form, gone some distance. In place of then, use when. Remaining part as it is. We saw a snake. Now we will go to another example. See, all types of examples I have taken here. As soon as, no sooner, and general sentence also we have taken. No sooner had we reached home, comma, we found the broken windows. So in place of no sooner, we have to use here hardly. Had is given, so keep had. Hardly had. We. Reach is V3. So reached. Hardly had we reached home. In place of comma, use here when. Remaining part, we found the broken window. Hardly had we reached home when we found the broken window. Understand? One more example. 8 number. As soon as he saw a cop, he ran away. As soon as he saw a he ran away. So in place of as soon as, use hardly had, he, V3 of saw, seen, a comma, in place of comma use when, remaining part as it is. So sentence number 8 we have seen, we have discussed. Now we will go to another sentence. As soon as MS Dhoni hit the winning boundary, all the spectators ran on the ground. See the example. As soon as MS Dhoni hit the winning boundary, all the spectators ran on the ground. So hardly when we have to use, in place of as soon as, use hardly, use had. MS Dhoni is subject, keep as it is. MS Dhoni hit. Hit. Understand? In your verb, hit V3. The winning boundary, in place of comma, use when. All the spectators ran away. All the spectators ran away. So these are the examples we have seen hardly when. Now I will give examples of assignments hardly when. That assignment you have to do properly in your notebook. Okay, if not unless assignment, and this assignment you have to solve. You have to send me the photocopy of that assignment to my WhatsApp number. So write down examples of assignment and you solve it properly. That homework and you have to send. We got the news. We became happy. Use hardly when. I entered the room. All became surprised. No sooner did the referee, match referee, blow the whistle, then the match started. Sentence number 4. As soon as, you write down properly. Don't only listen. Yes, you write down and solve this one. Sentence number 4. As soon as we reach the top of the hill, comma, it started raining. Sentence number 5. As soon as the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. As soon as the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. So these 5 examples you have to solve properly, and you have to write in your exercise book, English notebook, and you have to properly take the snaps and you have to say. So my WhatsApp number is